Hello, hi. On my right is Miss Kritika Kamra, who's the lead of Kitti Mohabbat Hai, the show. Fortunately, I'm directing. And on my left is Mr. Karan Kundra, again, lead star of the show. So I'm basically surrounded by stars. So yeah, now they'll talk and I'll listen.
I cannot even introduce yourself.
I I am a small director directing this very big show called Kitti Mohabbat Hai. Season 2, Jodi Wahi Kahani Nahi.
मॉडेस्टी टपक रही है बहुत
मतलब ऐसे बह रही है modesty is like
हम भी बह
Okay,
रहे
okay.
yeah.
So, yeah, now they'll talk and I'll listen.
ओके
So, which was the last joke you've heard?
Okay, the last joke that I heard, I think today only you came up with some. Oh no, this one joke I just heard. A Sardar was having he had a chicken on the table, like a live one, and he was eating roti. And he would eat one bite, and he would give it to the chicken. Then again he would eat one bite and give it to the chicken. And then somebody asked him, "What are you doing?" He said, "मैं रोटी के साथ चिकन खा रहा हूँ नराते चल रहे हैं ना."
के साथ रोटी खा रहा हूँ.
वही चिकन के
He
साथ
killed the
रोटी.
joke. That's how you kill a joke.
Yeah. So that was a
I
bad
allowed
joke.
to do that in Navratri.
Yeah.
Would you like to try?
What a joke.
Yes.
Yeah, I heard. You forwarded it to us also. Or I think you got it. I know you know the joke. The Rajnikant joke. Yeah, a girl romantically says, एक एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रजनी बाबू, and he says 0.369789 rupees only. I'm a very big fan of Rajnikant jokes, so I think they're very cool. They're usually my statuses on networking sites also.
Which was the worst joke you've heard in a long, long time?
Yeah, the one that Karan just said. When I read it, it was a forward that came to me. It was like a poor joke, but now he's taken it to some other level. It cannot get worse than this.
Oh, there's one more joke.
Which is worse than this.
Yeah.
Really?
The only place in India where food is cheap, tea 1 rupee, soup 5.5, dal 1 rupee 50 paisa, meals 2 rupees, chapati 1 rupee, chicken 24, dosa 4 rupees, biryani 8 rupees, fish 13 rupees. These items are meant for poor people and is available at Indian Parliament canteen. The salary of those poor people is 80,000 per month without income tax. That's the worst.
I agree with you.
This is like the worst joke for the friends that we are having. The best, worst jokes.
Now, how important is humor in the romantic comedy that you're doing and in real life?
It is important, very important. Especially for rom-coms, then there has to be humor.
Especially for this show, I think.
Yeah. This show is full of a lot of people with a sense of humor. Of course, we proved it all wrong right now. But
It's just that you get
Yeah.
a little, your sense of humor get a little.
Sir brings a lot of humor on and off screen. Sometimes there are a lot of things he tells to do in the middle of a scene which turn out to be really funny. And
Best
and
is the
then
way
of
he says
course-
action. I don't think I can.
yeah,
please,
we
please.
could.
We could.
You guys.
Yeah,
can-
please.
Yeah,
So
he
it's
just
like
says
you're-
random words instead of action. He'll say
Right.
rolling, ejaculation.
Yeah, I mean, it's a very serious.
And in a serious scene, and then you're supposed to just go on, and then
And you're not supposed to laugh.
yeah, and in a scene, Karan was supposed to come out of a car, so he said ejaculation, and he didn't come.
Look at him.
So he said, oh, he didn't come.
That was technically wrong.
Yeah, so we do. There's a lot of comedy in serious scenes on Kitni Mohabbat Hai also.
What do you do to ensure that there is timing maintained for these or the humor aspects that you have to maintain in the show?
You can't do anything about it actually.
No,
So what do you do to not do
Sir has
anything
some
about it?
Serious records in terms of one shots. We've done like 5 minute, 6 minute one shots. What happens is if it's happening in real time, it's funnier. When you cut it and if there's music and there is movement of the camera in the middle of if there's cutting, it's not so funny sometimes.
Right.
So a lot of these scenes, and it only happens when sir is shooting. Like when these scenes, I think you're the only one who can do it. We've learned to do it with right, sir. Yeah, he choreographs the scene so well, and I mean, hats off to our camera guys also who can just follow it.
But like I said, it's very important for an actor to emote. See, one shots are basically doing the scene in one go without cutting it, but those scenes can be done with cutting, provided one shots are possible only because your actors are good enough to perform in a shot. That's what I've been telling them.
Mutual admiration club. So cool.
So
Yeah, he did talk about it in detail in the last interview we did. Okay, so any such scene that you'd like to talk about?
Oh, the mirror scene.
and the humorous part about any scene, 5 minute, 8 minute, whatever we've shot, not 8 minutes, yeah, six and a half something. That there's no space for a lot of people to stand. It's just me, cameraman, and the actors, because the camera is placed in a corner and the camera is moving. The actors are moving, the camera is moving, it's going into the mirror.
It's a tripod. The cameraman is almost on the ceiling. And
So
director
that
is in the middle of
the director is below the table.
No,
The monitor is there. He's under the tripod hiding.
And
He's
then
holding onto the camera and sitting under the
Yeah,
camera.
because in a one shot, if anybody
humor
shows,
that
it's
comes
gone.
Yeah,
the,
so
the
that-
best part that that came out when we were doing those one shots was the timing, because the timing has to the cameraman cannot see the director, he can only see us. The director can see us, but he cannot see the cameraman. So the director, Raib sir only had the cameraman's, the
Yeah, they were brilliant sign language.
Yeah,
He would
so
go
he would
tap
do this,
on the guy, and he
would
knew
know
he
needs to
he's
tap.
supposed to
and he
tap.
would do
And
something
then
else.
he'll say,
And it's very difficult because it has to be done in milliseconds, and you have to have
without
the,
losing focus, without.
So basically,
Yeah.
after 2-3 rehearsals, that's those are instant sign languages which you have to work. Like if I hit him, he has to pan. If I just press him, he has to zoom. So there's something.
Can we have a glossary on it, sir?
it's a new breed of
Direction.
Direction.
And this one where he was actually in the corner was a 5.5 minute long scene. So
Wow.
I don't know, some.
And that
6
scene was
pages.
not only humorous. It was we were actually capturing 2 to 3 to 4 emotions in one scene. It started off with she being angry about something, and he's just ignoring her, and then comes the humorous part where okay they're just face to face and trying to pull down each of them, and in the end they're happy. So there used to be romance and humor and whatever the touch and bazi
yeah.
which they always
Right.
have, and the writer's always right.
And that scene was really like everybody called us when they saw the scene. Even the writers were very happy with it. It was a scene where we were trying to pose in front of the camera. We had to go for a photo shoot, which our family was insisting on, and we hated each other, so we were just trying to smile
Right.
with each other. So that was it was quite funny.
So after how many takes does this become one shot?
It depends. After 2 takes, 3 takes, at times first take. But yeah, every take, everyone has to add something. Because she might add on to something, and he might add on something. I might add on as in कि अच्छा ये movement यहाँ से नहीं वहाँ से लेते हैं. ये point पे move कर देते हैं. So all of a sudden I change the entire choreography, in between.
Yeah.
So it adds. I think one shot.
But now I think we're very used to it with
Now,
it. We're
yes.
very like that.
Now they come up
Synchronization
with,
is
suggestions
there.
that what if this can be a one shot.
Yeah, and we get very excited every scene. We're like, is it a one shot?
we love one.
We love one shots. It doesn't take time, and it's so real. It's you're hardly acting.
So
you know.
instead of 2 hours, it takes 45 minutes to can
Yeah,
a scene.
to can a scene. Now
45
we're
minutes.
becoming better with practice, and I think now it happens faster, so it's better. It's more natural. It doesn't
Now
get
they are
mechanical.
my Broadway actors. They can perform any scene in
We're being trained for stage.
So do you want to give them a scenario now and make them act it out or something like that
No.
for us?
No.
No.
I'm cool sitting next to them.
Now tell us about the favorite comedy series, movies that you would love to watch when you're not doing Kitni Mohabbat Hai.
Wrong question.
Why you
फिर
don't
भी
like
कोई तो
watching
जवाब
comedy?
दे
No,
दो.
I like watching comedies, but don't get time right now.
That's true.
I love How I Met Your Mother.
Yeah.
It's damn cool.
How I Met Your Mother, Friends, I mean, of course.
Friends is not my.
That 70s show is really funny.
Yeah, that's a show. It's quite fun.
It's very funny.
Anything in Indian television that would tickle you?
I think Sarabhai versus Sarabhai was one.
Was
That was one, yeah,
Yeah.
cult show.
Yeah, it was brilliant.
I think the
Khichdi
movie
was
Andaz
over the
Apna
top.
Apna is very
Yeah.
funny. Khichdi, yes.
Khichdi was over the top, but yeah, the characters did.
Yeah, but it makes you laugh.
Yeah.
They forced you to laugh.
They forced you to laugh.
Yeah,
But
very-
Sarabai was one
That was
fabulous.
very, very
Fabulous.
nice.
Yeah.
What about all these comedy shows that are happening across
See,
channels?
everyone has the right to.
Criticize?
No. See, everyone has the right to perform and obviously make money and whatever. The Comedy Circus is one show which is going on, I think, 4 seasons down. It's a successful show. The format is very nice. At times, I do watch if I get time, and it's nice. But they cross the line. Every act, they cross the line. I think that's what we need right now, even in shows that we cross the line. But unfortunately, we are not. We are censored, and they are not.
Yeah, fiction is all censored.
So there are a lot of things, like for example, the kissing scene, and kissing is like very normal in Indian society. It's been going on since I don't know how many years. But why make taboo about?
Adam and Eve.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Even as an Indian society, we have Kama Sutra. I don't think US has any Kama Sutra. They follow our Kama Sutra.
Yeah.
So we are making taboo about okay, you can't show this, you can't show that. But any scene, okay. If not, you
Yeah,
can't.
though our cinema is getting very bold.
Yeah,
They can show
but-
everything.
But I think television has to grow, and we are basically right now regressing in everything. Initially, TV had a lot of kissing scenes, a lot of lip-to-lip kisses, and you didn't feel anything wrong in it. Right now, there are beautiful scenes written, like the first kissing scene. It didn't happen because you can't show. Okay, so we have to cheat the kisses. Ultimately, you're showing 10 seconds of kiss. Okay, indirectly you're showing. So why not? Why can't you show? Because it's just a beautiful scene. It kills your scene. So that is one thing.
So who would be your best comedy actor in all times that you've seen in Indian film industry, if any?
I think A.K. Angal Saab. He didn't do anything funny, but you just see him and
I think his dialogue delivery
Yeah.
was probably the most memorable part of
and especially that movie Shauqeen.
it. Yeah.
Shauqeen was one kick-ass comedy.
Karan's been quiet.
I have no clue about Shauqeen, but.
Shauqeen was the 4 old guys leching over one young girl. Rati Agnihotri, Mithun Chakravarti. Mithun was Ashok Kumar, A.K. Angal, then Om Prakash, I think. Out of 4, they were basically turkeys. They go on a vacation.
Yeah, Karan, you tell us who's your favorite comedy actor?
I don't know. I mean, I think if you look at comedy is like I like so many people doing comedy. It's not just particular actors. I think it depends. I used to like Johnny Lever at a time. He was fabulous. Then I think one movie of Akshay Kumar I really Sing is King. I think he was quite brilliant in it. Plus because I'm a Punjabi, I overdid the laughing bit a little. It was silly, but then this is another guy. He was in the movie. He was in Golmaal 3 as well. I don't remember his name. He's some Sharma. The guy in all the best. I don't remember his name, but he was there in. He was the Just Chill guy. What?
Sanjay Mishra.
Sanjay Mishra. Yeah, sorry, I'm very sorry. Sanjay Mishra. I think he's brilliant. His timing is perfect. Yeah.
I worked with him. So
I look at him, I start laughing. It's that that effect that comes onto me.
What about you, Kritika? Any comedy actors that you
Oh, again, a lot. I mean, it again depends. I like sitcoms, but out of the stand-up comedians, I think even a few people on TV. I mean, of course, it gets repetitive because shows like Comedy Circus and all are dailies. But I think the comedians are very talented, like say Raju Srivastav or Bharti, or these guys are hilarious. At Kapil, they're very funny. The only thing is. They're creative people. You can't expect them to come up with something as hilarious every day. So I think it should be seasoned. It shouldn't just keep going on. It gets very repetitive.